What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. What's up to all my subscribers out there? Thank you guys out there. Thank you to all the new subs. Thank you to everyone supporting the channel because we're almost at 10K. Let's get it. I think we can do this in the next couple months. I think we can hit it. It's gonna be a big milestone for me because I've been waiting. I've been doing this YouTube thing for a long damn time and I had a break for a while, but things are finally coming together and I love seeing that. But thank you guys. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to a new day in California. That's where we're at right now. It is Tuesday the 23rd. It's almost noon right now. I'm working on some things right now, doing some work related stuff, working on the business. I have some updates for you guys that I want to talk about related to the house and then also with my business as well. But first, let's go ahead and say hi to the pup. Hi, you're a good boy. Hello. Can you tell the people to like the video for the YouTube algorithm? Yes. Yeah. Can I have a paw? Can I have a paw? Yes. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. We're playing with this little stick earlier. He loves the stick. I don't know if it's a real stick, but I know he loves the stick. Yeah. You'll love that stick. So here are some updates for you guys. Number one, about the house. I think I decided on what house I'm actually gonna get, and I decided that I'm gonna go with a townhouse. So I'm going with townhouse out in Ontario Ranch, which I really love. I have a clip of it that I saw or that I recorded earlier for last video, so I'll post that up here. But I really liked that townhouse. I expected going into buying a 4-bedroom, 2-story, or even 1-story single-family house, but as I went through and I started computing the numbers and everything, it started to make more sense for me and my goals to actually end up getting a 3-bedroom townhouse. I didn't sign for anything yet, but I did get pre-approved, so that's awesome. I did get pre-approved for this house, and it's not built yet. It's a new construction. So we're waiting to get a call for when another house is gonna be available for the one that I want, and then I get to accept it and then, you know, move forward with that house and everything. But I decided to go with a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse, which I'm hoping that this sticks to the plan and I get a house available soon. So I'm hoping for that. I should be getting a call in the next couple weeks, hopefully. But I decided to go with this because there's a lot of townhouses being built in my neighborhood, and the reason is that there's a high demand for townhouses because it's kind of like the in-between of the apartment and getting a house. So people get townhouses for when they're about to get ready for a house. So they rent out those townhouses a lot. So I've seen and talked around that townhouses are in high demand for rent around my area. So it made sense for me to actually buy this townhouse and then live in it for a little bit and then rent out the rooms to the homies. And then when I'm ready to leave, I can keep the property and rent it out to other people and make some cash flow from that. So when I did the numbers, it made sense that I would be able to do that. So that's why I decided to do with the townhouse. If I were to do with my single family house, it was not going to work out. It was going to be way too expensive. And if I wanted to rent it out, it would have been it would only make sense to rent it out for close to $4,000 a month. And it wouldn't make sense to the area that I'm in. So I went with the townhouse. I'm deciding on the townhouse. So I'm super happy with it. I'm very excited to finalize things and get into escrow and all that good stuff. But now we're just waiting on the call, and hopefully I can get that call and be like, yo, I want that house. They're gonna be asking me that question. They'll be like, are you sure you want this house? I'm like, yes, don't question me. I said I want it. So that's what's gonna happen. Next update is gonna be on the business right now. So this is an update on the business right now. Last 30 days. Boom, there you go. Now, I talk about this a lot, I mention this a lot, but Q1 is a very slow season for my business. So like you guys saw in December, I did $200,000 in a month, but now I'm only doing like $17,000 in February. Obviously December is a peak time for my business, and then also in Q1 it's not so much. It's very much the opposite. I'm starting to think about some new direction for my Amazon business, and as far as how I'm gonna source products and what products I'm gonna actually source. As of right now, I have products in the toys and games category, and I have some in the home category as well, but my toy products do really well. They're the majority of my business. They are my leading products. and they do decent during Q2, Q3, and then really well during Q4, and then Q1 it tanks really hard. So to kind of balance out my business a bit more, I'm gonna start doing a little bit more year-round products and sourcing more year-round products, but also sourcing some seasonal products as well. So things that are more higher in the beginning of the year and more in demand in summertime. And I already have Q4 covered already, so I could do that. I'm gonna take it in the direction of sourcing more products that are more in the beginning of the year in demand, right? So that could be anywhere of like Valentine products or fitness products or summer products, anything of that nature that fits around my brand. I'm gonna put it more in that direction. So I'm doing product research today for work. I'm gonna be working on that and just going through everything and seeing what I can find. So one of the ways I actually do product research is using Pinterest to find a bunch of ideas. This is a little bit more outside of the box, aside from using Helium-10 itself to do product research. I like to come on Pinterest because I find a lot of random products that I don't even think about that I might not come across on Amazon, like that. Like, what the hell is that? That's just crazy. But yeah, Pinterest has a lot of interesting products and makes product research a little bit more fun for me to see random things. So I really enjoy doing product research on Pinterest. That is a pro tip for you guys to do product research, is change up your landscape, start doing things differently. Don't just rely on just Helium-10, although that's a great starting point. Look on Amazon, type things randomly, look on Pinterest, look on TikTok, Facebook. Your surroundings everywhere is a great place to start looking for product research. All right, so I'm gonna be diving into this for probably maybe a couple hours so I can follow along with my game plan. If I want to reach a million, I really have to push towards these goals and find the right products and launch them as soon as I can. So that's the game plan. Let's do it. Fun fact, Oogie actually really loves ice. That's my boy. Oh, there he is. All right, so just finished up my product research for the day. And then I also uploaded a TikTok just right now. Just created a quick one real quick. Right here, boom. Bada boom, boom, boom. You can start finding products to sell on Amazon. The first way is using Pinterest. You could find so that is what I worked on earlier today. And now we're gonna be finishing up and getting some lunch. That kid's going crazy over ice. I'm gonna take him over to my mom's real quick, and then I'm gonna head to the gym right after. So that is the game plan for the rest of the day.
You want it? You want the stick? You want the stick? You want it? Oh yeah. Oh, go get it.
That's a good boy. Good boy. All right, so total fail on my main set. I was supposed to do a 2x2 with 485, but I only got it for a single. Shout out Nato. Technically a PR, a hook grip PR with 485. So I'll take it. We still got work to do. We got a whole bunch of work to do. But I've just been doing accessories, did some leg curls, doing some pull-ups. Pretty simple, basic day for the rest of the day. But I'm gonna conclude this vlog and end it with a few words. Nato, what you got to say to the people? What do you got to say to the people to finish this off?
This man works hard. He only made it this far in his life because he probably failed 1,000 times and he succeeded 1,001 times. You need that one time.
Exactly. You need that one time,
bro. You need that one time.
You need that one time. That's it.
Hey, just like powerlifting, you're gonna fail.
Exactly.
Just like life, but if you keep pursuing, you'll hit your number like you hit your goals.
Exactly. And that's how we're gonna finish the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.